The new Ktm Rc 200 is the sports version of the naked Ktm Duke 200 model. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have new content for you to blow your mind and new tips and ideas. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated videos in the future. Being a motorcycle that comes to replace the first version of this model and which is manufactured according to the brand with a competition genetics, inspired by the larger cylinder version Ktm Rc 1190 and the Ktm Rc 250 GP track bike. We also highlight that this new sports car is a vehicle manufactured at the Bajaj Auto plant in India. Along with all Ktm models less than 500cc, highlighting the Ktm Duke 125, Duke 200, Duke 390, Adventure 250, Adventure 390, RC 125, RC 200 and RC 390, and where we hope that before the end of the year 2022 the new and expected Ktm Duke 490 will also start production in India and very possibly from its RC 490 and Adventure 490 version, all thanks to the agreements between both companies and the capital investment and purchase of Ktm shares by the Indians. In the mechanical section, this model stands out for having a Dock 4T engine, a single cylinder of 199.5 cc, with a double overhead camshaft and 4 valves per cylinder. Its maximum power is 24.6 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and its maximum torque force is 19.2 Newton-meters at 8,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is liquid-cooled. It has electronic fuel injection of the Bosch brand. Its compression ratio is 13.3 to 1. The cylinder diameter and stroke is 72 mm by 49 mm. Its transmission is 6-speed. It only has electric ignition. Its total weight in running order is 160 kilograms. The fuel storage tank is 13.5 liters. Its average consumption autonomy is 32 km/h at 120 km/h, and finally its maximum speed can exceed 140 km/h. Speaking of aesthetics, this new Ktm stands out for having a complete redesign in its entire structure and in all its outer covers, radically improving its aerodynamics, its driving position and reducing the total weight of the motorcycle. The robust fairing stands out at the front and tapered, the elongated and transparent sports dome, the DRL-type lights on the sides, the full LED lighting and its main light or halogen bulb depending on the region or country, its full LED turn signals, the folding rear view mirrors, the two-sided sports handlebar parts, the monochrome digital dashboard, and the symbol and small fenders. In the middle part stands out the voluminous fuel tank, the trellis-type steel frame, the aluminum alloy footrests, the small and minimalist exhaust system and the two-piece and double-level saddle. In the rear we have the stop with LED bulb and the plate holder and small fender. In the suspension we have an inverted telescopic fork of the WP brand, 43 mm in diameter and 120 mm of travel, and in the rear we have a double-sided aluminum swing arm, accompanied by a monoshock also WP with 150 mm of travel. In the brakes we have a single disc of 320 mm. At the front with a Vibra 4-piston radial caliper, and at the rear we have a 230 mm disc with a single piston caliper, and this motorcycle also has a dual-channel disconnectable anti-lock ABS system. In the rims we have 17 inches aluminum alloy wheels, with 110/70 track tires at the front and 150/60 at the rear. As a minimum distance from the ground we have 156 mm, and as high to the seat we have 835 mm. An important fact to highlight about the new design of the Ktm Rc 200 is that the entire new generation of the RC family is designed and developed on the same platform, sharing all the chassis structure, the same exterior design and a large part of the cycle components. of the KTM Rc 125 model that is marketed in Europe and the KTM Rc 390. In terms of competition, this model stands out for being one of the best sports and accessible motorcycle options of the moment, which are mainly focused on younger bikers who looking for a low-maintenance model, useful for getting around town and perfect for weekend outings. Here this motorcycle competes head-on against the Kmoto 250 SR, the new Yamaha R15M version, the Suzuki GSX 250R, the Honda CBR 150R, the Kmoto SRK 250 SR, the Voge 300R and the Suzuki Gixxer 250 SF. If you want this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more coming content in the future. See you in the next video.